In this video, we will learn to create a spanner. Let us start without wasting the time. From here, first take the cylinder. Now change its length and width to 25 mm and its height to 4 mm. Now take a hollow cylinder, make its length and width to 12.5 and its height to 4 mm. Now two cylinders are there. One is the solid cylinder and another is the hollow cylinder. Select the hollow cylinder. Now press the shift key and select the other cylinder. After this, go to the align button. Click on it. Then these handles will be activated. Now click on this handle, left mouse button. Now in this handle, left mouse button. Now after this, go to the group button, click on it. Now click anywhere, see this shape is created. Now next part is take a box, drag it on the plane. Now make its length 100 and width equal to 10 and again height to 4 mm. Now this is created. Now take another cylinder. We will make its height to 4 mm. Now take a polygon. Here this polygon is there. Drag it and make it as a hole and change its width to 15 length also to 15. Now drag this polygon on this cylinder. Now press the shift button and select the another shape and click on the align button. Then click on group. Now click anywhere. So this shape is created. Now we will join all the three shapes. First shape is here. I will bring this box shape here. First I will make its adjustment, then press the shift key and select another shape and click on align and then click on group. See, a key shape is created. Now drag this shape here and select the another shape by pressing the shift key, then align both the objects, then click on group. So this spanner is created. Now you can change the color of the spanner from here. Click on this button and take any color of the spanner. After creating this spanner, you can save it by clicking here. So it is saving your work. Your work has been saved with the name Smart Spanner. That's all. I hope you would have liked this video. If liked, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends and press the bell icon for latest updates.